Hello, my name is Logan, and in this video I'm going to be showing you some common keyboard shortcuts for Windows 10. Now, as you can see, I have brought up my on-screen keyboard, which is available with every Windows computer. And I'll be using this to show you which keys I'll be pushing, rather than just saying them. So we'll go ahead and start off with the basics. If we go up here to our new folder, and we want to copy it, we'll go ahead and click on it, and then we'll go ahead and push Control-C, and that copies it to your clipboard. If you would like to paste it from your clipboard, all you need to do is push Control-V, and it copies it right over here. We'll go ahead and bring this over here, and we'll go ahead and create another copy. So we'll just go ahead and push Control-V once again. And you can see now we have two copies of this original folder. Next, we'll go ahead and try and open our task view using our keyboard. So in order to do that, all you need to do is you need to push the Windows key and push Tab. And that brings up all of your programs that you currently have open. So you can go ahead and use this to find a certain browser that you're using, or perhaps a certain document that you have open. We'll go ahead and click out of this, and we're going to go ahead and try and open Cortana so that we can make a search. So in order to do that, we need to push the Windows key, and we'll go ahead and push S. And that brings up your search bar. The next shortcut we're going to be going over is how to launch the File Explorer. So in order to do this one, we'll just go ahead and push the Windows key and E. And that brings up all of your different files that you could need to access. And for this final shortcut directly on the desktop screen, we'll go ahead and just click the Windows key, and that should bring up the Windows menu. And there we go. Now we're going to be going on to some very helpful shortcuts to use in your browser. So first we're going to go ahead and open a new tab. So we'll go ahead and do that by pushing Control-T. And you can see that opened up a new tab. Next, we're going to go ahead and bookmark a page. So we'll go ahead and go back to our Mineral Area College website, and you can go ahead and bookmark this page or any page that you're currently on by pushing Control and D. And we can go ahead and save that right here. Next, we'll go ahead and highlight our current URL. So that's this up here. So we'll go ahead and do that by pushing Control-L. And that highlights it. So then we can go ahead and do whatever we want with it. We can go ahead and delete it, backspace, or we can Control-C to copy it. And we can go ahead and paste it back in using Control-V. And enter. The next one we're going to be going over is Control-Tab, and this will let you cycle through your open tabs. So currently I just have two tabs open with our college website, so we'll go ahead and push Control-Tab, and it lets you cycle through it. So see that it brought me back to the first one. If we push it again, it takes me to the second one. And finally, we'll go ahead and use Control-Enter to add .com to the end of a web address. So if we go ahead and go up here, open a new tab, go ahead and just search Google, so Google, and then on this keyboard, we'll go ahead and push Control-Enter, and that enters the .com straight for us. Of course, that just brought me back to where I was, but so these have been some common and very useful keyboard shortcuts for Windows 10.